Well, welcome back. If you use natural gas to heat your home, you're a bit in luck. The El Nino weather pattern bringing very mild winter temperatures this year, even in some of the snowy states or lack of snowy states, bringing down natural gas prices to a 6-month low. Joining us now to talk more about the energy sector, he said, it's been a long day, Amrita Sen, already, and it's only 8:55 in the morning. She is the founder of Energy Aspects, director of research as well, and one of the most respected voices and people in the energy business. Amrita, I think if we had to say, like, what would be like Energy Aspects' top energy surprises of this year, where would you put natural gas's relative collapse?
The good news is it wasn't a surprise for us. I'm not going to claim that, we get everything right, but this one, we have been lowering our gas prices in part because U.S. gas production has been surging. And, you and I discussed this in person, partly driven by the M&A activity, and it has been super warm. Like you said, we were already expecting by the end of December, lower 48 storage is going to be 355 BCF above the 5-year average. And I think that is one of the biggest reasons why natural gas prices will continue to come off right now.
You see anything different next year, Amrita?
The good news, I guess, for anybody who's bullish is that these prices are already starting to stymie production. And I think you're going to see a slower production growth across the U.S., both for oil and gas. And I think that provides a floor. I think what we would say is that it is hard to be even more bearish given where fundamentals are, given where prices are right now. And if you look at the short positions in gas, they are pretty much near a record high. So, yes, fundamentals are bearish, but arguably the market has priced that in.
If for some reason, and let's all pray that this Ukraine war ends in Ukraine's favor and soon, but if for some reason Russian gas really, I know they're selling a lot of liquefied natural gas, they still got a little piped gas, Amrita. If Russian gas were to somehow resume, because I know Germany is, some people that basically said, well, once the war's over, we'll rebuild the Nord Stream and go back to the way things were. What would happen to the price of gas? Would it go to $1?
So I don't actually buy into that argument, Brian, because Europe is doing everything it can to move away from Russian energy. And to be honest, fossil fuels in general. Whether we agree with it or not, it is actually investing primarily in renewables. And you've seen electricity prices go up. You've actually seen even governments having to subsidize because we still need baseload gas in particular for electricity. But that's a separate topic. The point being is that I don't think Germany in particular, despite what it is going through in the industrial sector, is necessarily just going to go back to Russian gas. Now, it depends on how, quote unquote, like if this war were to end, definitely not our base case. If you say to me, hey, tomorrow Putin doesn't exist and there is a pro-Western leader, that could look different. But even if there was a scenario where Putin isn't there, it could be somebody who's even worse and more anti-West than Putin himself. And in that case, I just don't see how Russian gas comes back to Europe.